Hey, Michael, how you doing today?
Doing well, and yourself?
Excellent.
Tell me a little bit of why customers enjoy coming into Cardinal Home Center.
I think one of the main reasons people come in here is to get good customer service. A lot of folks come in on a daily basis. We get to know them on a first name basis, and it really helps to move things along in their process. And it also gives them a reason to come back. You know, if you like the staff that you're working with, they treat you like friends, treat you like family. I think that's a real important part of the customer base we have here. So we have all types of customers that come in, from homeowners to contractors, people that are maybe wanting to just do a little painting just to pass a little time. We get all sorts of different kinds. And
What types of projects can Cardinal Home Center support?
so say you need cabinetry painted and you want to match it to a piece of cabinetry that came in the mail. You like that color, you want it to match the rest of the things in your kitchen or home, we're happy to put that under the spectrometer and get you a match as well.
Excellent.